Hi, I'm Tejagani Roshan and I'm a software architect of IFS Human Capital Management at IFS. In this video, I'm going to go through the leave requesting flow as an employee and managing the employee's leave request as a manager. For the first part, I have logged as my user, Tejaka, and in my self-service lobby, I can see that there is a one absence request for pending approval. By selecting the absence request, let's go to my absence calendar. Here I can see details about my all absence request in a calendar view. In this month, I can see one approved and one pending for approvals. By selecting an absence, I can see more details and other available actions. In the calendar, I can see my absences in day mode, week mode, and also month mode. Let's say I want to take a leave on November. First, I will select the date range. And then I'm going to select the absence type through my favorite records. And it will show me that there are 7 days available. And then I can enter the description and select OK. In case if I change my mind to take the leave on another week, I can simply move the absence request to another week. Also, I can easily extend or reduce the number of days as well. And now, if I go back to my self-service lobby, I can see now there are 2 absence requests pending for approval. I can use my mobile to request leave as well. I have added IFS Aurena Bot to my personal Skype account. And now, let's take a leave on November 3rd. Request a leave on November 3rd. Select yes. And then select the absence type. After creating the leave, the bot will show me that there are 4 days remaining in my leave balance. I can also check my leave balances. Just like that, I can easily request a leave through my mobile. For the second part, I have logged as Erika, who's a manager. And in the manager services lobby, she can see that there are 10 absence requests for pending approval. And at the same time, she can see that there are several employees are on leave for the next 7 days. By selecting a lobby element or by using the saved bookmarks, I can go to the absence approval. Despite where you are in the application, you can use these saved bookmarks anytime you want. Here, Erika can see all her subordinates' absence requests in a timeline view. In the list below, she can see that the 10 pending absence requests are in different months. The red mark in the event shows that there are other overlapping allocations for the employee. By selecting a leave request, she can see more details, which includes who else on leave on the same period, and also if there are any other overlapping allocations for the employee, such as training events. In case she wants to contact an employee, she can simply select the employee's picture and choose any preferable contact method. If there are no issues, she can simply approve the leave request. Erika can use her mobile to approve absence request as well. By selecting the absence request, she can go to the absence request page. And here, when she drags the request to the left side, she can see more details. If needed, she can easily call the employee by selecting the picture and then selecting the mobile number. And if she drags the request to the right side, halfway through, she can see available other actions. And when she drags it fully to the right side, she can approve the leave request. When the leave request is approved, the employee will get an email with an Outlook event, which they can add it to their Outlook calendar as an absence. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe.